Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the way to trade scalping without using indicators. The next trades in this video will be real trades on the Bybit platform, and at the end of the video, I will show you my trading logs for the past 4 days, so let's start. Well, when I opened the chart, I noticed a strong dump, so I decided not to miss the opportunity. First, since the market is dumping fast in 1 minute frame, I have to quickly look for the closest downtrend. And after thinking for less than a second, I found that the closest line that I can draw quickly is the X trend, which is the descending trend line that passes between the candles and is drawn in this way. But you may ask yourself why we didn't draw it like this. Yes, this is a good question, and it is also the reason to enter this trade. But what is the point of drawing a trend line that shows with the naked eye that it has been breached? This is a waste of time, and wasting time means wasting valuable opportunities. Well, after we have drawn this line according to the previous breakout and retest, we will calculate the ratio from the current price to this line. And if we find that the percentage gives a profit and covers the fees, we will enter. Here the entry will be quick, and we will not set the pending order or the limit, we will enter the market directly. Choose a market from the top, select your budget, then click open short, confirm the entry, and you're done. Now we have entered in a short position. And since the market is moving fast, we need to determine where we are going to take the profit. Now I think it is clear that the take profit will be at this line here, so we have to read the price at this level quickly. We click on the take profit icon at the bottom and then we type the price. Now we see that the take profit order has appeared here. So let's move again quickly and locate the stop loss. Since here we have several candles moving horizontally, this means that the resistance is good, so we will place our stop loss here. Now everything is good, the stop loss has been set, which does not exceed 0.10%, and the take profit has also been set, so all we have to do is wait a little. Now, as we can see, the target has been achieved. Here, we see that the price started rebounding in this area, but can we enter into a long position? In fact, this is very dangerous, especially without other confirmations, the price may go down more and more. The second trade in this video will also be on a 1 minute frame, but in a different way. First, to make it easier to draw trend lines, we'll switch between the 1 minute and 5 minute frame. After we saw strong pumping here, we also noticed that the price made several attempts to return to the bottom. So, these attempts form resistance levels, and these irregular levels form a trend line, so let's draw this line. And since there is a previous pumping nearby, we need to find the trend line where the breakout occurred. And when we draw it, it will look like this. Now after placing the trend lines on a 5 minute frame, we return to a 1 minute frame. As we said, there are many attempts to break the trend line towards the bottom, and this means that it will be breached at any moment, so we will look for a short position. Well, we find the nearest bottom with a slight resistance, below the trend line that we drew, then, we determine the entry price by placing the mouse a little below it. And this means that the entry price will be here at this level. Now we will place a pending sell order by heading to conditional. We fill in the entry price in these two fields. We choose the budget, and finally we click on the short position. Now, if the price reaches this order line, we will automatically enter a short position. Since we'll have to wait a bit, let's draw a support line according to this top right here. Well, at this moment the entry price was reached, and the entry order was activated. We open the position list from here to see what is happening, and to set the rest of the other orders. At this line here, we will take the profit and let's say the first target. We click on the TP icon and type the price we set to take the profit. Now we set the stop loss quickly, and this previous top here will be our beacon to determine the place of the stop loss. After finding the stop loss price, we go back to the same icon and do the same thing we did when setting the take profit. Now that we've made sure all the orders are ready, all we have to do is wait, go to the bathroom, drink some water or do something, but don't smoke. Well, here we see that the price started to rise, but this is not important. Here in this narrow place we have a descending trend line, and when you draw it, it appears like this. This trend acts as a shield. When the candles reach it, they will bounce back down. Since the trend is moving quickly, this is forming new trend levels. We can draw them or we can stay with the first lines. Also, we can modify the trend lines, and doing these things will not make the candles move according to what we want, but it will make it easier for us to find other opportunities after closing this trade. Also, adjusting the stop loss and take profit according to the new lines may be an important thing. In about 6 minutes, the target has been achieved. This is some scalping trades on Bitcoin over the past 4 days, and of course trading in this way needs more information and knowledge, so if you like the video and want to know more about scalping with trend lines, please tell me in the comments. Finally, to see some other live trades, please join our Telegram channel with a link below the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Good luck.